Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how you can create a digital toolbar on Google Sheet application only with your iPhone. So here you just need to create the data that you want to create the digital toolbar from, and I already have this all data, and I would like to copy these titles into this side. I already have this digital toolbar here as well as the product and search cells that we can add the information slider on here. And the next thing you need to do is just go tap into the first rows after the ID title, and then you just need to add this formula. Click this edit and just go tap into this equals button, and then you just need to go tap filter and then just go click it. And the next is you just need to go click or drag all the range or block all the cells into this whole data right here. So you just need to block all the cells here. Oops, my bad. It's quite tricky because the cells is quite small, so make sure that you already block everything here. And the next you just need to add the symbols, and then you just need to go type is number and go click it. And the next thing you need to do is just type search and then click the cells that we want to add the information slider on. I think this is not the correct one. Could be this. Perfect. And then the next is just go drag the name of product on the data. Perfect. And then you just need to drag it into the whole information right here, and then just go click this checklist button. And all the data is already added here. And then if you want to search into the specific word, type into this box and then just type the words or the keywords that you want to looking for. Let's say I want to looking for the skirt, and then just go click return, and then you will see that the skirt, all the skirt products is already popping up into this information. And also you can just got the filter about the quantity as well as the ID and the name of the product. So that is for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorial.